What's going on, y'all? Vic with Digital Grind. Today we're going to talk about how to make a beat for your YouTube channel. So let's get into it right now. First off the bat, maybe you're asking yourself, how do I even make a beat? How do I even begin to I'll tell you exactly what you need. You're going to need a MIDI controller. I have here my Akai Professional MPK25. And also you're going to need some software for your computer. There's a lot of them. There's Livelight, there's Reason, there's Cubase, FL Studios is a good one. There's some that are not in here either. Ableton is good. Fruity Loops, I've heard of that. You know, that one's for a while. Even GarageBand, if you pay for the full version, you can make a pretty nice beat on there, and it's actually really easy on there. But Sonar, all these right here, you can use with this MIDI keyboard. Now, I myself have Reason, so I use Reason. I'm going to click on the Reason right there. I already have it loaded into my computer. I already have the beat made. I'm going to show you step by step what I did. First of all, I bought a new sound package for my Reason, so I got a plethora of new sounds, if you know what I mean. So I got new drum sounds, I got new loops, I got new chord sounds, I got new just instruments that I never had before on here. So it's actually helping me to make more beats a lot easier because I like the sounds better. I don't have to go searching through all these sounds and try to tweak a drum to make it sound a different type of way or whatever, because this new package that I bought has a bunch of snares, a bunch of kicks, and it's really good sound. So I already have some sounds loaded into my drum machine right here. This is what they sound like.
Rap, come on.
I'm gonna skip this one. I'll show you why. Go to pad B. Those are all the sounds that I have on there. This one right here, it's just vinyl going around on the record player. It gives it a little old school vibe to the beat, and it also just makes it sound a little bit more full. So looking in all those new loops and new sounds that I have on my sound package from my software, I found this loop right here. Let me go up here. I found this loop right here, and I said, ooh, I can make a beat with that, but I don't want to keep it like this, just this over and over and over again, because that's going to be too repetitive. So you kind of want to break that up. Don't be too repetitive. So I decided to use that tempo also. So this is that tempo right here. First things first, I got my tempo. I got to make a beat. So I kind of had something in mind like this. Now on top of that, I also added hi-hat sounds. I also had another hi-hat here. In the beat, I peppered in some sounds, so you'll hear those in there. You'll hear this. And in between transitions from one part of the beat to the next beat, I started using these sounds.
Rap, come on.
Just peppering them in there in little spots just to make it so it's not so repetitive and not boring. So you have a little difference in dynamic, which is what you want to have anytime you're making music. So I put the beat in there. This is what the beat sounded like when I put it all together with all the sounds.
Come on.
That was the first transition there, and I put different sounds on every transition, so you're not hearing that come on every single time. It's a different sound every time. So next thing I want to do is add that loop that I showed you guys before, which is this one. Now what I did with that, instead of having it just play that over and over again, I went like this. Once I put that together, this is what the first part of the beat sounds like. this next part, I switched up the beat a little bit. I added some conga sounds on there, like you'll hear them in there in the beat. You'll hear those in there. I also wanted to add some violins for the second part of the beat. I found this sound right here. So I decided to add that in there. This is what that sounded like.
Come on, come on.
Just something simple in the background. Makes the sound sound more full. Also, I found this chords. And I wanted to incorporate them into the beat also. So what I did was, in the middle of the beat, I went. Let's see what that sounds like together.
Come on, come on, come on.
Then it goes back to the beginning. Now, the only thing that's missing out of this beat is a bass line. I usually put that in either first, right after the beat, or I'll put it in at the end once I have the melody constructed and I want to decide what I want to do with the bass line. So I put this bass line in there. So now the entire beat put together, your new intro beat, your new outro beat, whatever you're gonna use it for on your channel after you make it, make sure that you like it. Don't worry about what anybody else thinks. If you like it, make it, listen to it, tweak it, anything you gotta do. So with the bass line, this is the final beat. Yeah. What you got on your mind? The digital grind. What you got on your mind is that digital grind. What you got on your mind is that digital grind. I'ma get mine. What? Anyway, so that's the end of the beat right there. Just a simple video showing you guys how to make a beat for your intro for your YouTube channel. Alright, so stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot more videos in digital grind, digital slang. Check out both channels. Like, subscribe, comment, and we're just gonna keep killing it. Shout out to my boy Jeff. Alright, y'all. Peace.